be sharing with you how I created this look for Navratri with just 5 makeup products, and also the products that I've used today are between the range 250 to 300, which is like very budget friendly. So I wanted to keep this look really simple and recreatable for you all. So yeah, let's see how I created this look. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So first, as usual, I've already moisturized my skin because we only have 5 products today to use. So the first product that I'm going to use is this Insight Concealer. It is in the shade C1 Ivory Fresh. So you can use any foundation because too many foundation comes in the range of 250 to 300 rupees. So, but I'm going to use this concealer today on my entire face. So first I will just dot it on my entire face, then I will blend it using a beauty blender. So remember guys, I am not counting on any tools that I am going to use in this video because they do not come in makeup products, and by the way I have tried to use very minimal tools today. So as you can see, now I am using a damp beauty blender to just blend my foundation in. So after my base is done, next I am going to set my entire face by using this Lakme Rose Powder. So if you don't have a loose powder, you can also use any compact instead. And with the help of this fluffy brush, I am going to just set my entire face, my T-zone area and my entire face, and also my neck. So we are done with our second product. Moving on to the third product, which is this SFR Colors 12 eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Hash. So first I am going to just pick this warm brown shade on my eyeshadow blending brush, and I am going to use it as my base color. So I am just going to apply it on my entire eyelid and also on my crease area. You can see I am just blending it very softly. And also I am just applying it on my lower lash line. Next I am going to use this rose gold kind of a shade from the same palette. It is like a pinky shimmery sort of a color. And I am going to just use my finger to apply this shimmer shade on my entire eyelid. So the best way to apply any shimmer shade is by using your fingers because it will provide you the proper pigmentation of the eyeshadow. Lastly, I am just going to blend everything properly so there are no harsh edges. Then I am also going to fill my eyebrows by using the same palette by mixing this brown and black shade together with the help of this brush. So just start by filling your angle and then move towards the outer part. Then with the help of a spoolie, I am just going to straighten my eyebrows. Same way fill your other eyebrow as well. So after my eyebrows are done, the fourth product that I am going to use is this Faces Canada Magnetized Kajal. So this I am going to use today as a kajal and also as an eyeliner. So first I am just going to apply it as an eyeliner. So if you want a detailed video on how you can apply a kajal as an eyeliner, so I have made a video on that as well. So I will link that video in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out guys. So after you can see that I have applied the eyeliner, I will also tightline my upper lash line. And also I will fill it in my inner corners. Now coming on to the lower lash line, I have just outline the outer V and the inner V, and then I'm going to join it by a thin kajal line. So this is how my eyes are looking after applying the kajal. So you can see that how beautiful my eyes are looking after just applying the kajal. So next I'm going to use this eyelash curler and just curling my lashes. So you can skip this part if you don't have any eyelash curler. Next you can also use a mascara, but I am just going to skip the mascara for today. And I am going to use this false lashes by Magic Feather. So yeah, I've just popped the eyelashes, you can see. So I'm not counting this false lashes in my 5 makeup products, so sorry for that. Next I'm going to use the same eyeshadow palette again, and I'm going to pick that warm brown shade on an angle brush and contouring my entire face using this. So did you see guys that I'm just using this single palette in multiple ways, and you can do the same thing if you are on a budget. I'm also going to contour my nose, so if you don't have this small fluffy brush, you can use your finger instead. So we are done with the contouring part. Moving on to the last product for today, which is this lipstick. So first I'm going to use it as a blush. So I'm going to take my Damn Beauty blender and just dabbing this lipstick on my cheeks. By the way, I forgot to mention that this lipstick is by Inside Cosmetics. It is in the range A6 First Love. So after the blush is done, I'm just going to use the same lipstick and applying it on my lips. So yeah, after the lipstick part is done, I'm just going to use that same palette again, and I'm picking that pink shimmer shade and applying it as an highlighter. So you can see that this is also giving like a very pretty glow on my face. So yeah, this is how the complete makeup looks like. So now moving on to the accessorization part. So let's accessorize the whole look. So first I'm going to wear this silver bangles. You can use oxidized bangles as well. Next I'm wearing this oxidized nose pin with this big mirror ring. Then I'm also wearing this baju band, which I have made by myself. So you can make as well by using a multicolored lace. For earrings I have picked this oxidized jhumkas. And for necklace, if you guys remember that I have ordered this choker from Amazon, I have shared a haul as well. And lastly I'm applying this black bindi and these 3 dots. So yeah, this is how the overall look looks like. So I am like in love with this look guys. It is looking so traditional and so festive look with just 5 makeup products, which is like so cool. And also pairing it with this oxidized jewelry is bringing the whole look together and making it look more pretty. So guys, do tag me on Instagram if you recreate this look, and also comment down below that how this look has turned out and let me know. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also please comment down below that what you guys think about this makeup look, because I have really tried to keep it very simple with just 5 makeup products so that you can recreate it very easily. So yeah, let me know. So I will see you next video. Till then, bye.